What's happening, everybody? It's Johnny Snow in the building again, and get ready to go over phase 2 of this M92 build, my Zastava ZPAP. It's coming along quite nicely, but before I do that, I have done a couple of new things to this NAC9. I did a video on this already, but I decided I didn't like the way it looked, so I took that sight off. I took that other extension. I put the vented extension on here. I got a sight that I'm getting ready to put on here. Got a brace on the way and got something about to happen to this wood. So be on the lookout for that video. It's on the way. So let's get on to my ZPAP, my M92. This gun is coming along quite nicely. I like the way everything's turning out on this gun. This is phase 2. As you see, I've changed my wood out on here. This is the original wood, in which I like the wood on the Zastava better than the Dracos, I must say. But this right here, I got from Kalashnicarver. And they did an awesome job on this. This is called the Bandito. And I want to give a shout out to them because they're very professional. They do things in a very timely manner. And wow, I mean, the fitment of this was absolutely perfect. When I went to put it on, it was almost like it was made at the factory. It fit so well. And it is just absolutely perfect. And the curls in the wood, I'm not sure if you can see the curls in the wood, but oh my goodness, it is beautiful the way they did this. And, you know, shout out to them because they are absolutely awesome, you know. So this is the wood. I know I said I wasn't gonna change the wood, but I did not say I would not replace the wood. I kept wood on here, so I think I'm holding true to my word. And here you'll see I put a leather strap on the brace. And the story about this strap, there's a dude on eBay who makes leather straps for lightsabers. It's for lightsaber hilts. And when I saw it, the nerd in me made me buy it. I had to get the strap. So, you know, just go on eBay, look up lightsaber dude that makes straps for, you know, leather straps. But that's that. And as you see, I'm on phase 2, but I'm trying to think, should this be the end? Should I stop? Should I do anything else to this gun? Because I'm liking it the way it is right now. I'm absolutely loving the way everything is looking. And matter of fact, in the comments, let me know. Let me know, should I stop or should I go ahead and do some more to it? Or would you consider this a complete gun, a complete weapon? You let me know. You let me know. And, you know, for those who don't know already, this barrel extension is called the vented barrel extension. I picked this up from usmachineguns.com. The cheese grater I got from kybercustoms.com. The brace I got from Prepper Gun Shop, which is an SB Tactical TF 1913. The rail I got from CNC Warrior. And this I got, the pistol grip I got from Atlantic Firearms, and it's manufactured by KGB, and it's all aluminum pistol grip. And of course the leather strap from Lightsaber Dude. May the force be with you. And I must say, I love the way this wood feels. And you know, I'm glad that I found them because the Bandito is awesome. They make other things called shark fin. They make dongs for your weapons and all that. And, you know, just go check them out on Instagram. It's Kalashnicarver on Instagram. And tell them Johnny Snow sent you. You know what I mean? Because I am more than happy to, you know, give my stamp of approval on I mean, I'll tell everybody to go check them out because they did a fantastic job. Absolute fantastic job. And, you know, I want to put it on my NAC9, but they make something else that I'm probably going to put on my NAC9, and you know, just so I don't do anything that's repetitious, you know. So just like I said earlier, be on the lookout for that video to see exactly what I'm gonna do to it, and just know that I am very, 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 very satisfied with the way this is coming out. So let me know, should I leave it alone? Should I leave it alone? You know, or should I go ahead and do some more things to it, and, you know, or do you feel that this is a complete build the way it is? You know, hit me up in the comments. And, you know, as always, thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications. Johnny Snow, up out of here.